everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how to add a tassel to your crochet project. For today's example, I'm just going to be using my crochet shell stitch blanket. It's a free pattern on the blog, and you can also find a video tutorial on this channel. I'll go ahead and link it down in the description box below. So to add a tassel to any crochet project, you're just going to of course need a tassel and a darning needle. Now if you need help making a tassel, I do have a full tutorial on how to make one of these. Okay, so let's get started. Go ahead and grab your darning needle, and you want to grab the top edge of your tassel, okay? And you want to split those two pieces of yarn or strands apart, and just go ahead and insert that yarn through the darning needle. Okay, once you have it inserted, it should look like this. And you want to grab the top edge of your blanket, okay? And you want to go ahead and take your darning needle, and you just want to stick it in the first stitch, okay, or the first chain. Go ahead and stick it right through, okay. Remove your darning needle. So now you should have something that looks like this. Okay, you have one piece of yarn that's connected to the blanket, and you have one that's not. Okay, so then all you want to do is just tie 3 knots, or however many you would like, just so it's nice and snug. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and that's how you add a tassel to your crochet project. Now, one final tip, and that's just one thing that I like to do, is when you go to weave in these ends, I like to weave in this piece of yarn on this side. Okay, so I'll weave it in like this. I'll put it in right into the side, and then I like to take this piece of yarn and weave it in on this side. And this way, or I think it's nice and snug if you do it this way, but that's just my opinion, so pick whichever way you would like to weave in your ends. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial on how to add a tassel to your crochet project, and don't forget to subscribe.